नहीं है machine background. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So today how
I
important?
एकदम खुशी थी this. Today is very that today our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our commanding officer from the army and from आमचे Navy and आमचे Coast Guard, all of them have felicitated today, and it's a great moment to be associated with them because they have been always protecting our country. Today, through them, they have taken such that today all, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our commanding officer from the army and from आमचे Navy and आमचे Coast Guard, all of them have felicitated today, and it's a great moment to be associated with them because they have been always protecting our country. Today, through them, they have taken such an emotional and a very very encouraging kind of and a different kind of a step which was never been ever anticipated or we have never even experienced in this war against COVID-19. They have taken the decision today to felicitate all the doctors, our dean, all the other doctors and the frontline workers, our nurses, everybody. And through this gesture, this will go a very long way if you see the encouragement and people so happy with this type of a gesture. I would like to thank our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for initiating this, and also to our commanding officer who is present here today with us and members of the Navy. And this gives us great encouragement. I, as a Minister of Health, being a part of all of them. Today I am not here as a Minister of Health. I am here as a part of their team. This gives us great happiness with this type of gesture to and to salute our frontline workers who are putting their life at risk to protect the people of the state of Goa. And even today, when Goa is declared a green zone, once again through your medium I would like to reiterate, our challenge starts now. Responsibility begins now. And as a result of which there will be a lot of work in the next few days to see that we keep Goa safe, and we will do all our best. And the team has been very forthcoming, very helpful, and has been there in the front line at the COVID hospital, at the testing centers, in Goa Medical College, providing relief to the people of the state of Goa.
So how is the ground level situation now?
Ground level situation, I told you, work begins now. We have to take all steps within the guidelines of MHA. Goa has got Epidemic Act 1897 in place, so we will ensure that we stick to it. I have also talked to the Honorable Chief Minister to see that we take strict action on the ground, making masks compulsory, sanitization, social distancing. All these things are need of the hour, and we'll do it. Testing facilities also have been increased, and also people coming into the state of Goa, we need to see that even if it is seafarers and other things, we want them to come home, but then we have certain guidelines we need to follow. That's quarantine, I think, is a must. It should be must in spite of that for 14 days, which Chief Minister had discussed with me. We'll go by the guidelines set by the government.
ग्रीन जोन गोवा हुआ तो भी कैसे केयर करना चाहिए गोवन पीपल?
केयर करना चाहिए, अभी जो बोला है, जो मास्क डालना चाहिए, लिमिटेड 144 सेक्शन, social distancing, section 144 already is in force. More than 5 people should not gather any particular place. We have to be responsible citizens ourselves. If we do not be responsible citizens, then we will not overcome this war against
Other
COVID-19.
state of patient is
No, I am not worried about other states. Let's talk only Goa specific.
patient, other state patient उधर गोवा में आने के लिए चाहते
नहीं, वो नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा.
Sir, what about OPD, sir?
OPDs will start in all the district hospitals, PHCs, CHCs, and other except Goa Medical College for the timing. Goa Medical College is the main institution, so I have to talk to the doctors and see that we draw up a proper protocol. Once the protocol is in place, we'll take it forward.